So here we got the guys here. We're going to try some persimmon bread. It's like banana bread, but with persimmons. That's basically the only difference. Okay, guys?
Do you want me to salivate more? Should I be salivating more right now?
Yeah, let's really sell it.
Okay, oh right, we should actually eat. Yeah.
Mhm.
Go for it. Yeah, take one. Take one. I'll save the big one for Scott.
Yeah. All right, take a bite.
Maybe I won't save the big one for Scott. Now, you said something about the seeds being poisonous? If I
No. No, they're not. It's possible that one or two might have got through.
That's good.
Is no one worried about this?
No.
Okay, good. That's one
Yeah,
thing.
it's like really, it's like banana nut bread.
Yep.
That's really good.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Chewy.
No, I thought it could use like a glazed topping, like an icing.
don't
You
think it
could, but it doesn't need
No,
it.
it's need it.
moist.
Okay.
It's moist. Sensitive crown, dude.
I'm gonna mouthful of persimmon bread. Okay, next we have persimmon pops. Just made in an ice cube maker, so they're pretty basic.
Oh, that's an interesting texture.
That's pasty.
As
They're,
it doesn't taste bad, but the texture is
Persimmons do have texture.
grainy.
Gray, pasty. It's like applesauce. It's frozen.
My kids love them. They're not my favorite, but they're
Whole grain
But
applesauce.
the taste is good. I like the taste. Cinnamon.
yeah, cinnamon.
Yep. Flavor's good,
No,
but
no, the
texture's
flavor,
weird.
the flavor's good, and once you get past the texture, it's like if you like to eat things in frozen form, it's a viable option.
I'm eating it all though.
Right.
Okay, next we have persimmon ice cream.
It's delicious. It's still a little pasty.
Yeah.
That's some of the texture of the plant.
I mean, maybe it's because I'm used to eating your ice cream, which is always just a little bit less creamy than creamy ice cream, because it's got
homemade.
yeah.
Hating on his eye.
No, it's just a different texture than like store-bought ice
You want
cream.
more ice cream for you?
And his ice cream tends to be like made out of organic things with fibers and stuff.
Hating on organic too.
That bark ice cream.
Who said that was a negative thing?
Hey, I bet you I could make some pine ice cream. I bet I could do it.
No, good though.
I would be
Oh man,
absent that
In
day.
fact,
I really want to try that.
I would say that this has all of the.
Gotta find
Actually, it has less of the taste
here's
of
gone.
the. Yeah, it tastes less like persimmon than the pops did,
Mhm.
but it's got a. It's easier to eat
Yeah.
if you get more of the taste. But it's also ice cream, so it's like milky and creamy.
Yeah. Ice
It's
cream.
delicious.
Yeah, it's
I
good.
like it.
It's good.
On some of the
Okay,
crust.
yeah, we're getting ready to have persimmon pecan pie. It's
Oh,
still
pecan, that's that smell.
yeah, it's still pretty hot. It's still pretty liquid. So
Yeah, I'm trying it.
we're trying to get it before everybody has to go home.
I'm trying to let it cool down for a second.
Molten pie.
Molten. It's like a meat pie. I'm not gonna look at his face, that way I don't know. It's hot. Tastes good. I'm gonna put this in. It's gonna hurt. I know it is.
It's good.
I
Don't
know.
hurt yourself.
Well, it is really good.
Hot. Oh, hot.
Why did you do it?
Oh,
It's the same thing I would do though.
haha. It's so good. It is really good.
All right. Well.
So yeah, no, it's
Oh.
delicious. It's just
It is really good.
molten hot. Yeah,
Okay.
It's surprisingly, because it did look like poop when it came out.
It hasn't cooled down yet.
It is not cool down.
Once it
Well,
burns
no, when we
up.
first pulled it out, it looked good. It's just it's still, liquid on the inside. Okay, I'm gonna go get you some aloe vera for your mouth.